Good morning, guys! It's been a while, but you know why I haven't been driving? It's July already, by the way, and the main reason I wasn't driving was traveling. Last month, last few weeks, I've been out of Cebu. I've been to Masbate, to Pampanga, wala. And to see how are other places doing. And I think it's really pretty back to normal na compared. Di ba, pandemic ta. So it was my first time actually in Masbate. And ayun, I would say, nindot sa Masbate, di ba? Nindot man sa yun ang mga other provinces ba? Mingaw, Hapsay, ang lisod lang na that's like power crisis dito sa Mandawi, ay Masbate. Nang may mga brownouts pa ba? Which is hopefully matutukan man ano yung mga investments on power, grabe na yung energy usage tingin nato. Di ba? I guess there were people there na may mga Australian who wants to invest in solar, which is perfect really for our country. We have fairly good weather, I would say, na pwede perfect for solar. Ano tayo mga wala, daghatag mga hawan sa lugar, like Masbate lagi. So even to Masbate and also to Angeles. Sa Masbate I went for boxing. Sa Angeles it was really a food adventure, but initiated by the Department of Tourism, because Angeles is vying for emerging food destination sa World Culinary Awards. So manay interesting thing, diba, about them. And one thing ako maingon lang sa Angeles, they have nice food, yun ang Pampanga, ha? And lahi rin ang sisig na dito, diba? One of the most popular food or famous food to sisig in the Philippines. And Pampanga or Angeles was basically the home or the place where sisig was, in a way, what you call reinvented, because sisig pala means to make sour. Sisig, it's like pwede mango na yung sisig, but the sisig that we know now, that's like a sizzling pork sisig, was invented by Aling Lusing, diba, in Pampanga, diba, Angeles, during especially, diba, mga American time na yung mga bases, diba. So it involves a process na una i-grill, i-boil ang pork. Normally they use, what's used is really ears, cheeks. It's really somehow sa una it's the useless parts of the pig, but now it's become the super sikat na sisig. But yes, the face, then afterwards it's grilled, then afterwards it's put in a sizzling plate, sort of like a quick fry, diba? A steak. So it's a 3-part process, and it makes that amazing pulutan, and also ulam, diba? So nakatilaw na yung sa Aling Lusing, sa lahi na siya dyan, because most of the time when we buy sisig, especially here in Cebu, it's a pre-made, pre-cut. We don't know na unsa na, basta kadabang it's a mix na nang gibaligya na ng mga Monterrey, mga pure foods tingin na sisig. It's already pre-made. Sa Aling Lusing, I saw how it was boiled, then it was grilled, it was chopped into small pieces, then how it has become delicious, yummy dessert, no, yummy beer match or ulam also. Pulutan, but it's crunchy. It has really amazing flavors. The fat, a bit fatty. It's crispy. And there's meat. There's onions. If you love chilies, you can put chilies. And of course, the calamansi. And nasa na ikuan din na mga, they put brains and atay. And the funny thing is, they never, the Kapampangan sisig, they never put eggs or mayo. So if you want it creamy, they put, para sa itong tuslubuha ba, atay, utok. So para talagang tuslubuha. But yeah, that's what they put. Mana. So, mana bawal ha, itlog. That's not a Kapaman sisig. Mga Kapampangan, I don't know, they get offended na when sisig has eggs. Interesting. Diba? Although, of course, we love to make shortcuts. And they're also saying na ang sisig, kung sa to, katong sininong ray na, nang nor seasoning. That's actually, the real sisig is supposed to be a bit sour. Sisigan. Pero nag-endorsement as like product, so that's normal na. So man, I've been traveling sa Masbate sa dong. Wakay ko ka-try silang mga real food, local food, pero although natin mga kuan, I tried mga street foods lang good, mga kuan hapon, mga pares, mga uguban pa, but it's just wako ka explore it because we were there for that. We were there to watch Gio Santissima win the WBC Asia Intercontinental Super Featherweight Championship. Boxing. So, it's been a while since nakakita yung live boxing action, and it's nice to see na boxing. Diba? Boxing was like the Filipinos, like cash cow na nato sa una, a sport that we excel. We made millions or even billions of pesos bisag through Manny Pacquiao ha, Nonito Donaire. So we made a lot of money. We have a lot of good boxers in the States. So somehow they earn kakwartasan sila Manny Pacquiao had fights nang ibayaran siya like $50 million. Sa atong kwarta, 2 billion pesos na. So it generated a lot of money, and even maybe more money from gambling. Diba? Pero man ako ingon na it was a spectacle. It was fun to see, boxers. Diba? Ano sa mga promoters ba to somehow give chance sa mga boxers. Diba? So it was an event by Antonio Tico. So ATK Promotions, but behind the man behind is the governor Antonio Co, the long time governor. So Masbate, and somehow it was part of the Dagat Festival. So it was my first time in Masbate. Hopefully I wanna be back there someday. Maybe katang rodeo festival, but it's not. It's something na marabaghanang matilawan yun lang mga pagkaon mao na unta ko mga baka, mga corned beef, whatever, tapa. But wala ko katilaw seafoods behind. Katilaw dito. But next time it's something na that we can have a reason to come back to. And the good thing we rode katong barko na co-shipping line sa barko ba. And the nice thing about it, I met there Junjun, the baker. He bakes bread in the boat. Diba? Lingaw kaayo na lingaw ko. It was a 16-hour travel from Cebu to Cebu to Masbate. And somehow kahit paano, the bread of Junjun may nagpakuan na to ba? Nagpahalipay na to. Lipay kay kuspahan dito. Lingaw kay ba? Init na pan. It's hard to be something hot. Mawag na akong ingon na, di ba? Bisag sa pan lagi. Sa lechon, sa pan, dapat. It's hard to eat something hot, di ba? So So mo na itong iguan na to na mana guys, we should support, you know, our local products and promote it. So mo nang wala ko, so it's been a while, so I'm happy to be back guys. And thank you so much for watching na ay rin lang takutob para maka suri-suri pa taglain na, di ba? Pero I'm happy to be back and happy July. May hello July na ha. Bye bye bye.